Can you actually speak to what it takes to get started with OpenClaw? There's a lot of people. What is it? Somebody tweeted at you, Peter, make OpenClaw easy to set up for everyday people. 99.9% of the people can't access to OpenClaw and have their own lobster because of their technical difficulties in getting it set up. Make OpenClaw accessible to everyone, please. And you replied, working on that. From my perspective, it seems there's a bunch of different options and it's already quite straightforward, but I suppose that's if you have some developer background.
I mean, right now you have to paste in a one line into the terminal.
Right.
And there's also an app. The app kind of does that for you, but there should be a Windows app. The app needs to be easier and more love. The configuration should potentially be web-based or in the app. And I started working on that. But honestly, right now, I want to focus on a few security aspects. And once I'm confident that this is at a level that I can recommend my mom, then I'm going to make it simpler. Right now...
You want to make it harder so that it doesn't scale as fast as it's scaling.
Yeah, it would be nice if it wouldn't... I mean, that's hard to say, right? But if the growth would be a little slower, that would be helpful because people are expecting inhuman things from a single human being. And yes, I have some contributors, but also that whole machinery I started a week ago. So that needs more time to figure out. And not everyone has all day to work on that.